Babes, I'm very angry. I shouldn't have allowed you answer that.
Eh? That would have made things worse for me.
What will I tell Eric now? Now that he's paid for hotel, made preparation, bought things. How will I say it?
I don't know. I agreed to go because I didn't know my mother would be coming back today. Eh?
So you're not going again?
No. I'm not going again.
Alright, I'll believe it. I'll see you when you grow up.
Why are you sounding like this? In fact, I'm no longer interested. Go and tell him.
You're no longer interested?
Yes.
Sarah, you're no longer interested?
Yes.
Are you sure you're the one saying this? You're no longer interested, Sarah? No wahala. Okay, now let me be going. I'll believe you now. I don't know, I've been dealing with a child all this while.
Yes, I'm a child. I'm a baby. What is it? Will I kill myself for you?
Not bad at all. Nice place.
Thank you, ma'am. We have everything here in this hotel.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
I would need your help, if you don't mind.
Okay, ma'am. We render great service here.
Oh, great services. That is beautiful. All right. I would need a car dealer and a house agent. And I would really appreciate if you could get that ASAP, like as soon as possible. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am. I'll get back to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll leave it at handle. Thanks.
What a great day, oh happy day. Hey, oh what a great day, oh happy day. Oh what a great day, oh happy day. Oh what a great day. Hey, I never knew that bad news can sell. Oh.
Never. You quite happy.
Hey, I never knew that bad news can sell. Okay, baby. Eh? Have you heard the news? Main market was on fire.
It's taking... Ogaroma, one name okay, my elder brother, he sells clothes there. And they just settled him, oh. Hey! Main market furniture.
He's on fire. Yeah. Tell the main market is buy one, buy this paper and read for yourself.
Ogaroma, how will I buy paper when my neighbor is a vendor? Give me one and let me read.
You see what happened? The main market, it was main market that was on fire. Everything got it by fire.
You gotta be very careful. You gotta watch a prayer. What kind of thing is this one now? The way you made me scream. I even thought it's main market on the child.
No, main market no be market. What do you mean? Market no be market? Main market on the child, main market umokoro. Which one is it? Yeah, they're not market. Don't tell me that.
You're such a smart man.
That's why I sold all my papers today. You can see these are the only ones I have. I made big money today. Hey.
Neighbor, one woman came here. She came to look for you.
A girl? Did she tell her name? It's my daughter. It's my daughter.
Ogaroma is the mother.
Uloma came here looking for me. She should thank her God that I didn't get her. If I had seen her with my eyes, I would have disgraced her. She's looking for me after all these years. Idiot.
If only she knew that the daughter, she wouldn't have even come here. That's the truth. But let me tell you, I told her that she's missing. If you see her face, she left here very sad. If you see her face, things like that of a toad. Ow.
No, my daughter, no. No, ma'am.
Don't start now. I did not tell you this one now to come and start feeling bad again. Neighbor.
Hey, Ulo, ma'am. I'm sorry. You are still crying over what the children did to you. Huh? I have spoken to them. You don't need to feel bad anymore.
Chief, I'm not crying because of what you and your children are doing. Chief, I'm crying because I'm looking for my daughter. I left my daughter and came here and I was suffering for your children. What did they pay me back with? To hate me. Ever since you married me, those children are still fighting me today. Okay. God will judge them.
It's okay. I will settle it, huh?
I don't care. I don't care whether you settle it or not. I just pray I see my daughter that she will forgive me. I pray I see Noma. I pray I see Noma.
Okay. Tell me, how did it really happen? Huh? What really happened?
She got missing the day I left her with my husband. I just prayed I will see her. Even if I die today, my spirit will not be at rest.
Wow, here we are. Sister Nkechi, I'm so happy to see you.
Chinekeme.
Oh my God. Akabeke. You say you happy? Yes. Now me happy pass. Now you wanna stay? Hi, auntie. Now they enjoy you. This is your house now. Yes. Sarah, take her to her room. No. I won't enjoy this. In fact, auntie, show me the shop, sharp. This house now belongs to all of us.
Sister, don't worry, you're going to come down again and enjoy it anyhow you like.
This government beg you. Hey, just carry me, they go your shop now, sharp. Make a begin to make money for you. Tomorrow morning, first thing tomorrow morning, well.
Yes, you're going to come out again. Come, let's go.
She's not a baby.
What am I going to do? What do you expect me to do? Eric, do you know how much I've spent in this hotel? Eh?
What do you want me to do?
You're asking me.
See, Eric, calm down. I will have to arrange it for some other time. You have to calm down. I'm sorry for the inconveniences, please. I have to go now.
Hey, yeah. I have to go away. What's your problem? Do you know how much I've spent in this hotel? And you're telling me you're going? Where do you think you're going to? Eh?
Don't you ever, in your entire life, try to draw me back again. Are you okay? I'm not the girl you want. Be careful.
Excuse me. What do you think you're going to? Come on! Take you. Shut up!
That's why I called for an agent. I'd need to buy a house and a car, basically.
Okay. So what kind of car would you like?
Any nice ride. But I think I love SUVs, yeah?
Don't worry with that, I think I'll get you what you like.
That would be nice.
And as about a house, what kind of house are you interested
in? Let's see. Okay, I'm looking at a duplex. Yeah. And please, agent, I would really need you to do this for me as soon as possible. I need to sort out some stuff and I need to be settled. So I really need it ASAP, please.
That's no problem.
Okay.
I'll do all that.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and you talked about banks and...
Oh yes, I'll just do a transfer once it's done, and that's basically what it is. Yeah, please.
That's no problem. I will handle everything. Okay. You like what I'll give to you.
Okay, I'm trusting you then.
Alright, as for the other payment about...
All set.
Akabeke,
Auntie,
where are you going?
I want to go and fish up.
Aka,
Oguegbu.
do you know the kind of business I do?
Yes, food and drinks.
Food and drinks. And you're not dressing properly. You're dressing like a tomboy.
Sister, what is this?
What is everything? What's the meaning of that? Go and change to something better.
Sister, please go and change. Okay, I will help you look for something good. Yes, come.
Aka,
Come now, let's go.
See my baby. I've made the biggest mistake of my life. I wish I could see my baby.
Mom.
Did I hear you call me Mom?
Yes, he did. We came to tell you that we're sorry for everything that has happened. Father told us what happened to your daughter. We are so sorry. You left her because of us. And we've been so unkind to you. Please, forgive us.
Is that coming from your mouth? Is that coming from you, Bella?
Yes, Mother.
Bella. Can I?
Yes. Mom. All those times and all those days would not be nice to you. Yes. We regret the fact that your daughter, who is supposed to be our sister, she's missing. Sorry. Sorry.
Ah, what are you doing this time? Yes, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Have you started cooking?
Yes, rice is on fire.
Auntie, you get this kind of plate for city. You know tell me, you can't leave me for village there, at the west.
It's okay, Akachuku. Your mother only wanted you to be here when you grow up. And I think this is the right time for you to be here. Okay?
Just let go to.
This is Mercy. I can come first. Eh? Biagodu. This is Mercy. She's my worker, Mercy. Her name is Akachuku. She's my niece.
Oh, hi, welcome.
Oh, manager.
It's okay, manager. It's okay. You just came. Eh? Don't worry. You get used to her. Happy.
Madam,
Madam, doing like this. You need to think your neighbor.
Madam Nobert, I just busy. You know how the thing be now. Welcome, we don't tell.
It's okay. Meet my niece. Her name is Nkechi.
Madam, I'm a very good customer with this. Madam, how the session now?
Hey, madam. Enter.
He raped me because of you. Sarah, I won't take this from you. No.
Why would he do a thing like that? That guy is an animal. Why don't you report him to the police?
Police, you say? Yes. I should tell them what? That he raped me. See, Sarah, what I'm telling you is that whatever he did to me, I'm going to do it back to you.
Oh, stop it! What is this? What do you mean? Was I not prepared to meet with him the other day? Huh? Was it my fault that my mom called? Oh, I see. So this is the kind of guy you wanted to link me to. So if I had gone to the room the other day with him, he would have devoured me.
That is your business. Sarah, that is your business. All I'm telling you is that whatever he did to me, I will make sure you pay for it. Rubbish.
Who is here?
Wow, fine. Which food is ready? Every day. So what's your name?
Are you okay? What has my name got to do with my eating here? Where's Lady Kate?
Hey, where's Lady Kate? What's Lady Kate? Again, is it? Because I asked you your name. So, for your mind now, because you dey city, you get sense past me, we just come from village. So because you want chop food, I know if you ask you your name. That's the way they chop food, you don't get name.
Who is here? Mercy! Lady Kate! Who is this guy?
Customer. Welcome. Have you asked them what they want to know? I said these city people, they like to wash person down. Just because I ask them, what do you go chop? Now you begin to wash me down. Just nego. It's okay. Nego do. Go.
Hey, don't worry. Please, I'm very sorry.
What do you... I need rice.
Right.
Hey! Ordinary rice. Then you want chop. Wait, they wash me down. That is in a human head. Or is she down? Just nego do. Go to the back. Right. Akachukwu. Hey! Go, Akachukwu.
You go Pesino, Jikwa Breki, Iemero Madaro.
Akachukwu, let this not happen again. Your duty here is whenever you see a customer, greet them, smile, make them feel loved, so that they will relax and enjoy their meal. I didn't sober. I didn't very sober. Sober. You heard what she said? Make them happy. Let them ask them what they want. Which one is what is your name? Yeah. Into your chirigi. Now me be manager. Now me supposed to give you instruction. You know what my auntie talk? He say when the people them come, you smile, you greet them, and you make them feel love. You idiot. Asingi, smile, you greet them, and make them feel love.
So, how do you like the car I showed you?
It's so lovely. You know, wine is actually my best color, so I love it. Totally.
That's good. I'm happy that you like it.
Yes, I do.
And for the house, I've seen a house, a very good house.
You know, you're one fast guy I've ever met in my life. OMG, you're so fast.
Thank you.
I think I like your person, honestly. That's really nice. I like it. You know what? Let me tell you something. If you are true to me, you're honest, we'll work. In fact, you can even help me in my pursuit of what I came for. You can actually help me. In fact, you'll be a facilitator for me.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, that is if you're honest with me, and I will pay you as of when due. Trust me.
I'm ready.
You go we don't know what you they do. We don't know what they do you. Better look out, baby.
Any problem? No, sir. I did forget to smile the first time when I come. Now I say I run, cause smiler. You're funny. You're very, very funny.
Who there here? How I want to you, sir?
I did, yes, sir. How are you?
Lady Kate!
Sir, how are you doing?
You like Lady Kate, don't get new kisses, sir. I mean, are you okay? Who are you?
Don't jump.
Lady Kate!
So, me Nweje here, where they smile to greet you and make you feel love and know the person.
Lady Kate!
Ah, Roma, is that you? Ah, welcome.
Ah, welcome. We have Momo. It's more roundabout. Miss you. Which one do I get for
Lady Kate, who is this girl?
Akachuku. She's my sister's daughter.
Is she okay?
Akachuku. Auntie, which one is?
Auntie, you see how she smile, greet them and make them feel love. Oh, Yanu.
Akachuku.
Auntie.
Oh yeah, go to the back here.
But to tell you the truth, this is the type of girl we want here. We need this type of girl here. I mean, it'll make us happy.
Apple Kogari. Apple, I'm coming. Okay.
And if you think you want to outsmart me, then I'll tell you that I can do shit. You don't want to know.
I understand what you mean. God has just placed you in the hand of a very genuine person.
Oh.
They are good Nigerians. I'm one of them. Can I assure you that? I would never want to do evil to you. Everything you want, I'll give them to you, as far as you're willing to pay.
Okay, because this is my father's land. My both parents are from here. So I'm in pursuit to look for them. And I pray to God that I see them, actually. So...
You will, I pray so.
Yes. Can I see the house now?
Yes, of course. In every way possible, I would see what I can do for you.
That
would be very
nice.
good.
That would be nice. Okay, let me pick up my shoes.
I want to thank you. I want to thank you so much, you and your daughter. Dalonu Nemeka. Oh, Dalonu. Grace.
Why are you thanking us?
They said that it's he who knows you that will kill you first. No one mama do you. Yeah? Thank you. Yeah? So simply because my daughter Kachuku told your daughter about her origin, your daughter not opened her wide mouth to tell Akachuku about her origin. Eh? Hey! Grace, your daughter Akachuku did not know about what she told my granddaughter. It is you, Grace, that told her.
Why, Grace? Why? Since you want us to expose ourselves, let's go on. No problem.
It is okay. This is bad, right? It is okay. Eh? Let me know where you will now see Akachuku to talk more. But I just want to tell you that what you did is bad. If you're like Joker, what you did is very, very bad. Why?
You better tell your daughter Akachuku that you stole her from the city. Stop lying to her. Stop lying that her father is dead. That young man might still be alive. Oh. Because of your evil mind, you separated that.
Please go and sit down. Go and sit down, my friend. Eh? So simply because I confided in you as a friend, you are now using it against me.
And because I told you of my granddaughter's father, you went ahead to tell that your parrot daughter about it. Let me tell you, Grace, if she tries it again,
I'll let the whole village know about what you did.
bent me. Bent me, Grace. Okay. Okay. Let me see where you people will now find Akachuku to gossip more to her. Simply because I said a little thing to my daughter, you people flared up and started gossiping. Useless people. Just selling.
It's still open for yesterday. I want to put it in here. Madam will take it home.
Why? I can get it. Why not woman make you put her for customers? Then no go no.
Akachi, you want to spoil our business?
Sweeper. I dey tell you, say, for village, soup of 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. We go warm up. Put Maggi, put salt. Good to go.
This is township. It's different here. We don't do such things.
All for me. Huh? I will tell you, you dey put that.
Akachi, what is your problem?
Hey, let's not be the job for village. Nothing wrong. No, wait. Put Maggi, put salt. Jump up. Leave that place. Them no go no.
Don't put your hand there.
Don't put your hand. Them no go no.
It's just a word. You know, I now believe you have a good sense of standard. I just can't wait to bring my parents over here and stay with them forever and ever.
And as for bringing your parents and finding them, how do you want to go about that? That's going to be very hard.
Well, agents, I have faith, okay? As long as we have a good media in this country, it will be so easy, just like this.
Okay. I know we have good media in the country. The only thing that I'm afraid about is that plenty of persons are going to come up claiming to be your parents. Because they will know that you are from the state and you will bring something.
Agent, I have a history. I have a background. I have a plan. And I know that anybody who gets my name, my background, will have my name. And whatever that comes with it. I don't have to tell you that.
Okay.
I love it. I love it. Whatever it is.
Okay. So, I want you to see inside. So what do we do next?
Okay, after seeing inside, I would want to pay for this place and I need a driver's license.
I will get you all that, right? I'll get a driver's license.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. It's okay.
So this people has no longer use of these services. I have searched every newspaper and I can't find my daughter.
I'm not telling you as you're thinking about her.
I don't know how empty I am. Nothing will fill me until I see my daughter. Nothing.
It's okay. You have to calm down. You can't find her this way. We are here for you. We will help you.
Mom, want to rush off to the mall and get something. We'll be back very soon. Please come off this thing. It's not going to help you. You're going to hurt yourself.
Now come in, Mom.
I beg, I go finish my business, eh?
No problem.
If I come back in the evening, I go pay una, eh?
No credit.
they try to grow the business. I beg, as you don't chop, give me the money. Aka. Leave him. He's my best customer.
Aka. You don't say we could be friends. And as I set up and me get all the news for this thing. I got the gist.
Madam, get me more stew. I can go and get it. Like how much?
I beg your pardon. How do you mean? Do you not say stew?
Yes. Everything na money. Yes.
Aka. We don't sell stew. Just give him small stew. Which one is Go and give him stew. You're still staring at me. Aka, you will do what I ask you to do. Keep that one. Drop it there. Take a fresh one.
Oga. Only you. New stew. Only you. New plates. Now you be the king of the city. No, Bonum Kamanu.
Lady Kate, you have a really funny guy here.
Hey! I am very sober. I can't believe this. I am sober.
Akabeke, you go Pesino, Jikwa Puleki, Iemeru Madaru. We don't know what you they do. We don't know what they do you. Better look at baby. Your wahala plenty. Akabeke, you go Pesino.
What's up? Person chop food finish. I say, you can name stew. After you don't chop the rice. Auntie say, make I give him stew. Make I not collect money.
Akachi, that is how it's done. You don't collect money for extra stew or extra soup.
Makawai. Huh? Oga Kugwa, anything extra. Oga Kugwa. For what? Auntie say, make I not use old plates to this stew. Make I put them for new plates.
You will not use old plate, you use a new plate.
In fact, I will give him old stew for old plates. And he go chop up.
He will not pay you. He will not pay you because he will not like it.
Move out of you. Hi! That person will go chop. When no go pay me, they never gonna. You know the fear face? When I go ask her for my money. Oga, you may go. Oga, you may go. Oga, go. Akachi, use new plate.
Mafana.
My dear, I do. What did you say happened between you and Eric?
Eric. I went to his hotel to see him the other day. The guy raped me. He raped me.
How come now? No being arranger you be.
My sister. There is this small girl I was supposed to arrange for him. She's my classmate. Okay, on how we planned the whole thing, it didn't work out that way. I now went to his hotel room to tell him. The guy now grabbed me and he forced himself on me.
That guy know well. That guy did mad. But why would he do a thing like that? Eric. You see why I don't want to give him any chance? And you'll be telling me he's a cool guy, You don't see what cool guy don't do you now.
Ma, Eric must pay for it. Eric! He must pay for it.
Cool
down. I don't care how, but he will.
Cool down. No be Eric. Cool down. We go plan now. We go arrange that guy for this town.
Me. Eric.
They make person hit you. On the money hit you. I catch her if I cholo she go make you happy. She go make you shout to her. Akabeke, you go person. Jikwa Puleki, Iemeru Madaru. We don't know what you they do. We don't know wetin dey do you. Better local baby, your wahala plenty. Aka beke, you go wound person oh.
Okay. Hi. You enjoy the food, Abby?
Yes. I always eat Lady Kate's food.
Hi. No, oh. Hi. Dalusa. Mercy, I tell you say, you no go know. You no go complain. Oga, if I no use my mouth tell you now, say this stew wey you chop, na 3 days soup, you go know.
Auntie, I can't believe this. What did you just say? I can't.
Auntie,
what is your problem? You gave me stale food?
Open stale food, Auntie. Shebi you hear am here when he say he like the food and he don't chop your food since.
I can't believe this. Wonders. You gave me stale food?
Oga, bro, stale food, give him the money.
That I should pay you money? I will never pay for this food. What?
Na 3 days food. Now you dey eat since for here.
Okay, Dada, just sit down there. Make you dey commit the food if you no want chop. But you go pay because your own no be stale food. They hear me so. Sit down.
I'm not paying for anything.
Daddy Mo.
Hey, I got you. You're bringing that for me. I got you. Okay, Lady Kate. It has come to this level. I pay.
Lalo, you think a man?
Akachuku, why will you bring a kitchen knife to a customer?
Adam Silva.
Hi. Akachuku! Akachuku!
I'm so happy to see that we all are now living together as one happy family with love and harmony.
Yes, Daddy. You see, we've been wrong all this while. Yes. And there's actually no gain in maltreating our mother because she's supposed to be our mother and our father's wife.
Mommy, we're very sorry for everything that happened.
We're sorry.
You really tried to be patient with us.
Thank you, my children. This is because I love both of you. That's why I sometimes get mad at her. But she doesn't deserve it. We all know the sacrifice she made to be with us.
Yes.
My honey, you see, do not worry. We will all join to help you in search of your daughter. One day we'll get her.
Yes.
I'm trying as much as I can to monitor the news media now.
I'm always on social media, and I know very soon we'll see her.
Yes. Yes.
That's good. But, honey?
Yes, dear.
You're not saying anything. Are you okay?
I am, darling, I am, but I'm so overwhelmed, honestly. I'm excited. I don't know what to say, honestly. Well, thanks, darling.
Why would you
very much. Thanks, my children. Thanks. God bless you. Honestly.
Cheers, Mom.
Thanks, my children. Thanks. God bless you. Honestly. Honestly, you can say that again.
Love it here. It's home for me. I love it. It's peaceful.
Yeah, I'll get you a gift, man, and I know you like it here.
I hope so. Yeah, one more thing. You will help me go to the media to help me pass the information I told you about.
Okay, that's my problem. I will go to the electronic media, radio, TV, go to the print media, do everything. We'll go to the social media.
Ooh.
You know?
You know best, you know what's up. I mean, that's why you're here. Thank you so much. Can I look into my house?
Of course, once again, you look around.
Thank you very much.
For those who get money, rice and beans done again. Not be free. I'm not free. A quarter, nothing. Not free. Rice and beans done already. Everybody come by. I sing rice and beans done already. Go, na here. I just order na free. We tip am. Just stand for here. You win am. Rice and beans done already.
Where is that country? I said I have to go and buy something for me.
Madam, she did not believe this.
What happened? Did she insult anybody this morning?
No! Madam, Akachukwu is outside dancing and calling people to come and eat.
Ipuna, don't tell me it's true. What is wrong with that girl?
No, madam, you will be happy if you come outside and our shop don't full. Plenty customers come.
Find her, she's gone.
It's been long, we can't find her like this.
Tomorrow we'll continue again, okay?
Okay. You're back?
Yes, we've got to inform the both city stations. And I've searched for all the numbers on Facebook. I didn't see her.
You can find her like that. It's been a long time. Yes. Mom. What I want you to do now is, can you put this whole thing behind you for now?
It's trying, Mom. Impossible. I know my daughter is missing. I will look for her wherever she is. I will find her. I will.
We will find her, Mom, but please calm down. Okay? Please.
Madam, I know they been doing a customer here. Where am I going to put it now?
Akabeke. You done so well.
Thank you.
You done so well.
Thank you.
You done so well. But leave them. Let them eat their food and enjoy. No, Mbami auntie. Hey, all this song why they sing for them, why they dance for them so. Hey, they make the food they go down. So down. Hi. Akabeke. You are the best. And then you say, I could lift up your shoulder. And then you, no, I don't lift up your shoulder. Akabeke. Aka. You go to school. Oh, I got this. Because if you go to school now, plus this one, sense will full everywhere. It's okay, no problem. Mbasi, come, let me go and list things you buy. Okay. Because most of our things are finished. About to finish. No, maybe next time you go with that. You can get there here. Yes. See, now we go do now. It's massive to go market to go buy the things for food. Me, I will go there now. Go to give them my musician. You just there here, just the boil rice. Oh really? Just the boil rice. Just the boil and they come. Nah, you don't want me to work. It's just the boil rice. They boil the rice. Boil and they come. It's okay.
After you stop shouting, your daughter is gone. You will not see her again. So stop shouting, eh? Just consider your business. Yeah? Just your business.
Myself and your mother. You gave you the name. That is not my name. So you know I'm your daughter now, Abi. You see me pass you, not even talk to me, you not even come. Oh! Let's go there. Please let me have. I told you that I will see her one day. Yes. There she is. Hey! Let's go. Oh! God has finally done it for me. My daughter is back. Hey, we're gonna come. My daughter is finally back. God has done it. Is she your daughter? Yes, my daughter has finally come back. I told you that she will come back to me. Yes, I told you. Hey, she has finally come back to me. Because of this, I will no longer drink. Amen. It's only food that I'll be eating in this house.
Amen. Yes, Daddy, I'll eat food.
Hey. Okay. Okay.
Hey. Okay, Roma. This is your daughter. Is she okay?
Yeah, she's very, very okay. You know, just excitement. She's so happy.
Okay.
Oh, let's go, Edo.
Okay, Roma. This is your daughter. The one I can pentacle.
Hey! I'm going with my daughter. Hey! Kate, I told you that one day I will meet my daughter.
Enjoy your guy Romanus, but remember my money.
My daddy has money, he will pay.
Money is not my problem. I will pay. Akachuku. I know you are enjoying what I'm enjoying here with my daughter. I told you that one day we'll meet your mother or your father and we'll be enjoying like us.
Hey, I beg. No call my name for anything what you do for there. I because say you don't see this one, you know what, follow me talk again. No, they call my name, I beg.
Don't talk to us like that, oh.
Shut up! You idiot! Ah! Hey, talk to us like that, too.
No vex, no vex. It doesn't call for quarrel at all. It doesn't call for vex. You see? She's my daughter. You're my very good friend. No, all of us are the same. Enjoy yourself, bro. Enjoy that.
Oga Romanus! Oga Romanus!
Okay, you guys say they suffer from malaria. That's not why they find
What did happen?
Just, what are you doing here?
Why they sleep for son? No, the Lord send me. He said make I come pack old paper for him. Say him and his family won't take a sheet. Old paper there. You the dream on Thompson.
Last class. Amara.
You know, I'm so glad that one is down now. I contacted the bloggers and they agreed to help me.
I'm happy about that.
Thank you.
I'm still wondering how you get to find your real parents. It's considering the number of persons that will show up.
Well, like I told you earlier on, I have my history. And the woman who trained me abroad, she told me some stories. So I'm just going to use that to, trace it with the stories they'll tell me. So I'll know my real parents.
With the number of couples that will show up, what if at the end of the day you don't get to find your real parents among them? What do you do?
Well, I won't kill myself. I know why I need to see them. I mean, if I don't see them, my luck. But I really wish I will see them. I mean, that would determine if I'll stay here or I'll go back. But if I see them, God's willing, I might stay back or I will go back. It depends on when I see them. I don't know. But I pray, that's my major prayer. I just really need to see them, honestly.
I wish you luck in your search for your parents.
Thank you so much. Agent, you have been so awesome. Thank you so much.
You have been better.
Thank you. Okay, excuse me.
What is it? What is it? What?
Let me see
you
them.
okay?
Let me see them.
Okay. Relax. You're stressed.
Please, agent. Please, can you help me go? Can you help me go to my wardrobe? There's a brown bag.
Yeah.
Please help me bring the white container, my drugs.
Okay, just hold on. Let's go. Breathe well. Let's go.
Who there?
I'm here, welcome.
Madam Bill.
What do you want?
Give me a goosey soup and semo.
Aka Beke. Bring fufu and a goosey soup fast.
How market?
Let's go. Hi, dinner.
Good.
This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the fine. Oh, yo, my idiot.
Madam Kate, who is she?
She's my sister's daughter. My niece.
This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the fine. Oh, yo, my idiot.
Don't share this with anybody. What is that you're doing?
Carry him sober.
He be sober.
Go behind. Sorry, bro.
You see, is your sister?
Yes. She's my niece.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, bro. So why bro? No?
Please get me more meat.
Aka, bring more meat.
Like 4.
You heard him. 4 pieces.
Aquarano. Yeah.
What are you doing there? Aka! I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Excuse me.
Yes, what?
Let me go anywhere. Are you looking for your parents?
See this man. Did I tell you that I'm looking for my parents?
If you are looking for your father, I am your father. My daughter got lost 22 years ago, and I was believing God that one day she must surely come back to me.
Look me very well. Do I look like your daughter? Do I look like your daughter? Well, I'll forgive you today, but if you try this next time.
Dikeh.
Don't worry, just come back, yeah? Just come back, come back.
This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the fine. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the my type. Oh, yo, my idiot. Her character, the local. Her food, the special. Her love, international standard. Oh, okay.
Man, you don't chop and finish.
Yes.
Hey.
So how much is the money?
850. You don't finish.
Yes.
Everything.
This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the fine. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the my type. Oh, yo, my idiot.
You can keep the change.
Hey, man. Thank you very much.
Can I see you outside? I'm talking to you. I mean, can I talk to you outside?
Her character, the local. Her food, the special. Her love, international standard. Oh, okay. Her character, the local. Her food, the special. Her love, international standard. Oh, okay. This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the okay. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the fine. Oh, yo, my idiot. This local girl, the my type. Oh, yo, my idiot.
What is really wrong with this lady? She must be really sick. Maybe she's looking for her parents because of her sickness. And she's very rich. What kind of sickness could a rich lady like this be suffering of? A beautiful lady for that matter. What if she doesn't find her parents? What will she do? Huh?
I hope I didn't startle you.
Not really. So how are you feeling now?
Hey, I didn't take my drugs earlier on before going out, but I'm fine now.
It's okay, but I'm happy that you're fine now. Well, really, what kind of illness was that?
The kind of sickness that you don't want to know. Never mind. I'll be fine. I have my drugs now, so I'll take them.
It's okay. I'm happy you're better now.
Yes.
You know, but really, this house is so big. Only you cannot stay in this house alone. I think you need a gate man, someone that can be around with you.
Yeah, I know. I need that ASAP as soon as possible. As far as you don't get criminals in, I'll be safe.
No, cross my heart. I'm a good person, and I'll get you a good person.
Agent, I really appreciate your concern, but I really need to rest, if you don't mind.
Oh, that's no problem. Alright?
Okay.
I'll see you around later.
Thank you.
All
Shut
right.
the door behind you.
Thank you.
You're here. Okay. So, what?
You still carry motor come?
Oh. This is one of my cars.
One off. It means say you get another one again. I talk am for village. I say I go meet big man if I go city. I talk about 10 there. I go meet big man.
Immediately I stepped my foot inside that place, I got attracted to you.
Ouch! Immediately you tell me say you won't see me. I know say you won't tell me say you like me. Me, I like you. I like you.
You mean you like me?
Hi! I like you.
You like me? It's okay.
Hi!
So, what I'm trying to say is this. I have enough money. Once we start talking, you're not going to lack anything. Believe me.
Me and you. We are Ejima. I am your buddy. Yes, me and you. Hi! Madam! Sorry. I'm very sober. Yes, I'm battling you. Die!
So in that case, can I have your phone number so I can give you a call?
Hi! Oh yeah. Who that's monkey banana? I don't get phone. Now my auntie phone and they take call my mama for village.
It's okay. In that case, I will go and come back. Just get ready to have a phone.
You go buy me phone?
Yeah.
Phone? Hi! That's how you get money rich.
I told you I have enough money. Once we become friends, man, just forget it.
Hi!
Anything.
Manum!
Yeah.
Manum! Hi! Manum! It was my mark.
Then why you...
Manum! I'm very sober. I'm sober. Yes. Anything you say I go do it for you. You go buy me a phone. I tell him you there for village. I say I go meet big man.
Yes, you're right.
Even my ma.
You're right.
I don't go. Dikeh. Madam. Hi. Ouch.
Okay, let me start going. Let me start going.
Auntie. God oil, dey my head. God oil, dey my head. Hi, anointing.
Am I not the one you're talking to? Why God here? You're talking as if you're... What is it?
I'm very sober. Very, very sober, auntie. That man will just come out here now. Hi! He said he go buy me a phone. In fact, if you see the motor where he carry come, you go faint.
Thanks to him, but let me tell you, you have to be very, very careful with this city men. You have to shine your, that is, open your eyes. Those city men are not...
Big daddy.
Roma. Okay. This is you forget something? You forget anything?
No, I'm talking about my daughter. This is the exact place I saw her. I was here and we ate. We enjoyed ourselves in the dream, my daughter. I bet man, I give me food. I don't know whether I'm hungry or malaria.
Equal Ofuma. So what do you want? Apple or semo?
Give me apple.
Ofe gini? Egusi onugu. Okay.
Bob, don't tell me you're still looking at the papers and search for her.
Okay, what do I do? I have to. Hopefully I will find her.
Mom, we have a gift for you.
Yes. This is for you.
You mean this is for me?
Yes,
yes, Mom. And many more will come your way. We just want to appreciate you and to apologize for being rude to you.
Yes.
You don't have to do this. I've forgiven both of you. This is lovely.
You like it?
Yes.
You should.
Yes. Both of you are pampering me.
It's obvious I'm the person eating the last meal here.
Ogaruma, I told you that our food no longer lasts.
Wait till I tell you. I told you that one day God will bless you. What is happening now?
Akachuku is a blessing. She is a blessing. That's why I don't allow her to interact with customers. Because they like man. I come to give you presents. Make you for no say, hey, my man.
Okay.
Man. Hey. Man.
You know, I told you that Akachuku likes you so much. I wish she went to school. She for do great things. So.
Aka, you would have put it in a plate.
Oh, my man. Oh, my man. Oh, man. Hey! Nata.
Aka.
Eric, so you're still in this town?
Sorry, I don't think I remember telling you that I'm traveling out of the country.
Well, it's good that you're still in the country because your nemesis is coming soon. So Eric, you don't do, you know, do you? You have the guts to rape my cousin. Eric, my cousin. I will make you pay for this.
Anyway, I don't have time for bronze girls like you. I don't have time to talk with bronze girls like you. Do you understand? Yes, you.
Eric, me right here. Eric, is it me you're calling Ronzi?
Yes, you.
Eric, don't worry. She's not for this town. Eric, she's not for this town. You'll see what will happen to you. Eric, don't worry.
Hey, see, let me tell you something. If you ever mess up with me in this town, I will lock you up.
Eric, you'll see what I will do. Maybe for this town. I'm for this town now.
Madam, this way you're always smiling.
Master, didn't you notice that ever since Akachi came to this place, things are no longer the same?
Madam, I've been wanting to tell you. She brings us plenty luck.
Exactly. Do you know that the other day, one of my customers told me that he has been coming because she makes them happy.
Very true. She is very funny and lively. I'm very happy.
Wait, she said, I thought she said. Aka Beke! Aka Oyoyo!
Sister, you look cute. This is a brand new phone for God's sake.
I swear.
Hi! Sister, you're very lucky. This guy must be a very nice person.
Over good the warrior. Now man be. He talk him today. He do him today.
I'm telling you. I hope he won't come back for something else.
For waiting. No be phone again. If he ask me for nothing, I'll give you a phone back.
Very good. That's how you do it. Let me see. It's very fine. I'm going to open a Facebook.
Wait. You mean Eric had the guts to talk to you in that manner?
I will so deal with that guy. For what he did to you, I will make him suffer.
Eric, do you know I wanted to call the police on him? But then on the second thought, I thought the police may come now and ask me what I went there to do.
What are you calling police for? Don't worry. I will use what is bigger than police to track him. I don't blame him. I was too cheap for him. Then they bring this law of see finish come now.
But wait, did he?
Yes, he did.
Jesus!
I so hate that guy. I feel like, it will make you feel he loves you and wants to marry you. And the moment he gets what he wants, he will just run away. Who doesn't know Eric in this town? He has dealt with so many girls.
This is too much.
But you see what he did to you? I will use that and put a stop to his madness. I promise. I will deal with him. He will suffer. I promise.
Rich lady returns from America, searches for her parents. Hey! I said it! I said it! I knew that Noma will one day return. She is back! Noma! Hey! Noma is back. My daughter is back.
This is serious.
Hey!
I've seen her. I've seen her on Facebook, Mom.
Is this my daughter? How did you find her?
It's written here, a rich lady returns from America in search of her real parents.
Wow! Mom! This might be your daughter. Yes. Okay, just scroll down. Read it.
It says, a Nigerian lady named Withheld who returned from America is looking for her parents that she lost during childhood.
That's normal. Yes, that's my daughter.
She says that she would be grateful if anyone links her to her real parents.
Evidence! I said it! That's my daughter.
Mom.
Ekene, this is my daughter.
Mom.
Yes?
No doubt, this might be your daughter, yes. But with evidence. That's hard though.
I will tell her I didn't have her picture. She will understand. I will simply tell her I didn't have her picture.
How? But she's beautiful. She's beautiful.
Yes!
So that's
sister. This is normal. Oh, my baby.
Now bring them here. Akabeke, they make person hit you. She could make you happy. She could make you shout. Akabeke, you go person. We don't know what you do. We don't know what they do you.
Hello.
Better look at baby.
Hi, good to have you here. I've been waiting.
Oh, nice to see you.
You're welcome.
And I saw the news on the papers.
Really? Okay. I've started receiving calls, you know, and it's really a good thing. And I just can't wait to meet my parents. I really can't wait.
It's good, but you have to be around because they are going to be coming in mass.
That is why I have you, right? Let's go in.
One more thing. Okay. I'm here with the gate man.
Hello.
Hi, good morning, man.
Good morning. He's quite learned.
Yes, he is. Okay. He's a good guy.
Please just wait outside. Let's talk, please.
All right. Let's go outside. Hang outside.
You say? I dey go market now. Where the place dey? From market I go come there. Signboard. Which signboard? Okay, school dey there. No worry, I go find am. I said they go market now. Oh yeah.
Yes. Am I speaking with the girl that came back from US? Yes. This is your mother. That is talking. The evidence. I have it. Okay. I have the evidence. Yes. I'll be coming to see you, okay? I am coming right away. All right. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. This is my daughter. I told you, I know her voice. She sounds exactly like me. This is my daughter. Yes! I'm so happy. Hey!
How can you be so sure? What evidence would you provide me to them? Remember, you were not there when she got missing. So how would you remember?
Ekene, you are looking for an evidence. I will go with her father. At least her papa is still alive. Get evidence also natural.
That's good though. Why don't you go there and inform him so both of you can go together?
Yes, I will, but I don't know about Romanus. Roman can open his mouth and tell this girl how I abandoned her when she was little. I know what Romanus can do. But let me tell you something. That girl I carried for 9 months. I will apologize to her, even if it means doing what I'm going to kneel down and apologize to her. And she'll forgive me. Yes! My daughter is back! My daughter is back! Yes!
Okay. She remembers.
Yeah, I'm listening.
My daughter, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
We thank God so much. We are so very happy now that God has finally brought you back to us. Since the years you disappeared, we have been crying every day, morning, in the night.
Well, sorry to burst your bubbles. You're not my real parents. There are some processes that I know that I used to find my parents, yeah? Okay, fine. Let me ask you a question.
Yes.
How did I get lost?
Wait.
My daughter. Now for fun we carry you go. Now so you take lost. Now like that.
We searched everywhere for you. Every nook and cranny, no trace of you.
Nobody cry, we just they cry. No know whether God will find you for us now and God will do it for us. You see how
Oh, really? I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, you're not my parents. Because I was told categorically, it's not a story. Agents, get his folks out of here.
We're not folks, we're not parents.
Yes. Wait, make I tell her. Okay, agent, wait now, baby now. Oh. Make I tell her now.
Stand up.
Baby, you don't understand.
We'll get back to you.
My daughter.
We'll get back to you.
And my eyes. My
touch me! Don't touch me! Agent, get his folks out of here! In the farm? Agent? In the farm? Oh my god.
That's the weirdest story I've ever heard. Now those folks are not real. They're fake. They want to eat my money.
So should I send you the message?
Yes, please. Next. I hope I don't get tired.
Hope so.
You're welcome to my home.
Lekwanu ụlọ. Ndị bai, lekwanu ụlọ. Hi. Now you get this house.
Yes, it's my house. I own it.
Hi. Daddy, Oluwa na fugi yo. Oluwa na fugi. Hey! I talk. Say you get me. Who no go like you? Eh? Which woman no go like you? If I just stay for this house now, eh? Larola. I like memories. Oh God,
So saying you can come anytime, any day. You're free to come and stay anytime, any day you want. Is it probably your home? Yes. And why I called you here is that I want.
Rapum dadim. Rapum makao. Yemelaro. Dadim. Rapum o. Why you can't touch me now? Eh?
You see, I want you and I to understand ourselves. I mean, I want us to.
Hi! Uchemdia. Daddy. Hi! Injia. Manum. See, make I tell you. I come from village. But I know every. No try amo. I try Zikwanaya. I'm every. Yes. I know past people waiting for this place safe. Yes.
That makes it right. I'm happy that you know every. And at least with that you can appreciate me with that. For the phone I bought for you.
I don't go. You want to do that thing because say you buy me phone. But Jesus Christ feed 5,000. Out of the 5,000, babes plenty for them. You no check anyone. But you buy me phone and now you want to do that thing. Eh? I come to your house. You don't even offer me anything.
Oh, that's true.
Oh my God.
Please, I'm so sorry. See, I have wine, I have juice, I have... Which one do you want? What do you want?
Oh my God.
Okay, just hold on, let me get it for you, okay? Okay? But... why did you come in with the bag? You could have left it in the car.
Huh? Leave this bag for the motor. Then go tip out.
Imagine what your stupidity has cost me. Because of you, I did not cook. Not even rice. And you know what that means? Ibonyala, I'm asking you now, Kuala. Very sober. I'm sober. Hey, don't shut up. Shut up with him that sober. Shut up. Just hold it there. I don't blame you.
I blame my sister. Do you know how much I've spent on you ever since you were born? Do you know? Let me hear fame from you now. Anumanu. Unyala.
Mommy, please, it's okay. We should be thankful that this foolish guy she went to see didn't even take advantage of her. If something bad had happened to her, you know you won't be talking about cooking and selling. Please, Mommy, it's okay. Please just forgive her.
I am very, very sober.
Daddy, your daughter has prepared you a local delicacy for the first time after so many years. I hope you enjoy it.